just got on the little tram to Giverny in Giverny, France to go see Monet's gardens and the house. This is kind of like a little funny little train thing that we're on. But it's on wheels. You can also take the bus. When you exit the train station, just follow the footsteps out and it will take you right to the street where you pick up the bus and where you pick up this funny little tram. It's playing the music for the ants go marching.
There's all three of them together. Love each other.
We just got to Giverny, well, to Monet's gardens and where the house is, and it's a 10-minute walk from the parking lot to the entrance. There's a lot of people here. But the little train thing was actually really cool because they give you a lot of history about the town and different buildings, different areas along the way. And it's kind of cute looking. I don't know, got me weird. I had fun. Here's a little tip. If you buy your tickets before you get here, you don't have to wait in that ass long line there, and you just go to the group entrance directly with your ticket on your phone, and they'll let you in. That line sucked. Gardens are beautiful, but if you're here hoping to get like some epic photograph of the lily ponds, it's not gonna happen because there are so many people here. Don't come here with grand expectations about that magical lily pond shot that I have. Monet's gardens and house. Well, loved it. Super cool. The train from Paris was 35 euro. Little tuk-tuk train thing that got us over here was 8 euro round trip, and entry into here is like 20 euro. Worth it. Advice, I guess it would be to come here, find when there's not a ton of people here because it's really hard to see everything, and take a good photo because there are so many people here.